Googlefy SM Honest Review Watch Before Using. Googlefy SM Honest Review Watch Before Using. Most travelers get this wrong. They overpay for roaming or swap physical SIMs constantly. The surprising truth is that Google Fi eSIM makes mobile connectivity seamless and flexible. Googlefy is a mobile service provider that uses both cellular networks and Wi-Fi to optimize coverage. With eSIM, you can activate your plan digitally without a physical SIM card, making it ideal for phones that support it. The key advantages include automatic network switching, global coverage in over 200 countries, and pay-as-you-go data pricing. Google Fi eSIM is perfect for travelers who want uninterrupted service without juggling multiple SIM cards. Most people underestimate convenience. With eSIM, setup is instant, and switching plans or devices is simpler than ever. You also get real-time billing and usage tracking through the Googlefy app. It's best for frequent travelers, digital nomads, or anyone looking for flexible, reliable mobile service. If you want a stress-free mobile experience at home and abroad, Googlefy with eSIM is a solution to consider. Subscribe to the channel for more travel and tech service reviews.